Payment gateway just failed. DORA Article 11 requires regulatory notification within 4 hours. Engineers are focused on the fix, and the compliance report used to take 4 hours post-mortem writing memory. And this Ricardian ARIA is our incident analyst. Is join the war room, starting the incident, and ARIA is now active. We will start listening, and listening has started. ARIA, we have a P1 incident. Payment gateway V2 is throwing 503 errors in the /API/charge endpoint. The primary Postgres primary database connections pool is exhausted. All the 500 connections are active. We are seeing a 7.3% transaction failure rate. The blast radius is approximately 73,000 and users across the EMA who cannot complete the payments. So ARIA heard that. Gemini Live is processing every word in the real time. Service names, error codes, user counts, transaction failures, and it's already flowing through the pipeline. Wait, also the order fulfillment service is showing errors. It's a downstream payment gateway error, ARIA. Barchin ARIA stopped mid-sentence, reprioritized, incorporate new signal. This is not code we wrote. It's a Gemini Live native bidirectional stream handling interruptions. This is exactly what a real world sounds like. ARIA is listening. Batch is back on. ARIA, the 7.3% failure rate has been sustained over 5 minutes now. This looks like it crosses DORA Article 11 major incident thresholds. So for compliance standpoint, which DORA clause does, 7.3% transaction failure rate, trigger, and what's notification deadline. Persona switch, same sentence triggered the compliance response, exact DORA clause reference, exact deadline. Now watch what happens. Now I execute the question. What is the business impact, ARIA? What do I tell the board in this context? 3 stakeholder, 1 conversation agent, engineering compliance. ARIA adopts its language in real time based. That's what persona is. I will also share my screen and try to show the graph on a dashboard. The payment failure, 7.3% error rate, 47.7%. All the Postgres connections failure, payment gateway V2 is 503. So there is a lot of failure happening. So now ARIA, you can see Vision agent takes the screen every 5 seconds, and it's now Gemini 2.0 Flash. Watch transcript. ARIA, what do you see on the screen? There is a major incident, a P1 incident impacting 73,000 customers. So now let's root cause the connection pool exhausted, started at 22:06 UTC, coincides with the exact deployment, what went wrong. And hypothesis is a connection leak, the payment gateway code introduced the deployment. The timeline sections, first section, DORA report every event at described timestamp chronological order. Blast rate is 73%, users 7.3% transaction failure, down from services red, and ARIA correlated what happened. Root cause, confidence score, visible connection leak, 1800 hours. So here is DORA Article 11.1 notification compliant authority. Exact deadline written in the mixing incident. Remediation for, in summary, full DORA Article 11 written in the real-time live dashboard by live agents under the regulatory. So at least DORA is triggered, but there is a problem I had with bidirectional Gemini. So the report would have completed and it should have the full report, but the report does not have the full report because the trigger was not happened. But I have attached the screenshot already, so you guys can see.